Ciao, I'm Luca.
And I'm Grace.
Let's learn Italian. You know what happened when my American friend named his dog Fido? Every Italian laughed at him. Ciao, Grace. Today we're talking about pets in Italian, and trust me, there's a big surprise about pet names. Buongiorno.
Ciao, Luca. Wait, why did they laugh at Fido? That's a normal dog name, no?
Ah, in America, see. But in Italy, Fido is like calling your dog faithful in English. It's too, how do you say, old-fashioned. Molto vecchio stile.
Oh, so it's like embarrassing?
Esattamente. Now, let me tell you about my neighbor's pet. Lei ha un gatto, she has a cat. Un gatto, a cat.
Un gatto. Okay. Io ho un gatto. No, wait. I don't have a cat.
Brava. Io ho un gatto means I have a cat. But you don't have one, vero? What do you have?
I have a dog. Cane.
Perfetto. Un cane. A dog. My neighbor, she has a cat, but the cat is very, come si dice, particolare. Special. Il gatto si chiama, the cat is called Luna.
Luna, that's pretty. So, si chiama means is called?
Bravissima, si chiama. Is called. Il mio cane si chiama Max. My dog is called Max. Come si chiama il tuo cane?
Come si chiama? Il mio cane si chiama Charlie.
Bellissimo. Charlie è un nome perfetto. Now, this cat Luna è molto viziato. Very spoiled. Viziato means spoiled.
Viziato? Oh, like the cat gets everything it wants?
Esatto. Luna eats solo cibo costoso. Only expensive food. Mangia means eats. What does Charlie eat?
Charlie mangia normal dog food. Come si dice dog food?
Ah, we say cibo per cani, food for dogs. But listen, in Italy, many people don't buy special pet food. They give their pets avanzi, leftovers. Avanzi means leftovers.
Wait, really? That's so different. In America, we buy special food always.
See, in Italy it's normal. My nonna, she always gave her dog avanzi, pasta, bread, chicken. And the dog, he lived 17 years. But now, modern Italians buy cibo per cani too.
17 years, maybe Avanzi is good?
Maybe. Now, Luna has another problem. Lei perde molto pelo. She sheds a lot of fur. Pelo means fur or hair. Perde means loses or sheds.
Oh no, Charlie perde molto pelo too everywhere in my house.
Ah sì? Then you need to spazzolare. To brush. Spazzolare il cane. Brush the dog. Do you brush Charlie?
Sometimes. Io spazzolo. Is that right? I brush?
Perfetto. Io spazzolo il mio cane. I brush my dog. Grace, do you want to practice talking about Charlie? Let's imagine. You're at a park in Rome and another dog owner asks you about your pet.
Okay, at a park.
Buongiorno, che bel cane. What a beautiful dog. Come si chiama?
Buongiorno, il mio cane si chiama Charlie. È molto friendly. How do I say friendly?
Amicevole, or we say socievole, sociable. Try again.
Charlie è molto socievole. Gli piace other dogs.
Brava. Gli piace means he likes. Gli piacciono gli altri cani. He likes other dogs. But wait, look. Your dog is running away. Il tuo cane scappa.
Oh no. Charlie, come here. Vieni qua.
Bene, vieni qua means come here. But in Italy, many people say vieni qui. Same thing. Now your dog comes back. Ask me, does your dog like to play?
Il tuo cane gli piace giocare.
Perfetto. Sì, al mio cane piace giocare. My dog likes to play, especially with una palla. A ball. Palla means ball.
Una palla. Charlie ama la palla.
Brava. Now I ask you, but be careful, this is a trick question. Hai altri animali? Do you have other animals? Animali means animals.
Animali. No, I have only solo Charlie. But my sister has un gatto.
Ah, tua sorella ha un gatto. Your sister has a cat. Come si chiama il gatto?
Il gatto si chiama Whiskers. That's an English name, sorry.
Va bene. Many Italians use English names now too. But tell me, il gatto è viziato?
Sì, il gatto è molto viziato. Mangia expensive food and sleeps all day.
Typical cat, typico. Now here's the cultural surprise. In Italy, if you bring your dog to a restaurant, many places say yes, dogs are welcome. But in America?
What? No way. In America, only special restaurants. And the dog has to stay outside usually.
Esatto. In Italy, small dogs especially. You see them everywhere. Cafes, restaurants, even some shops. It's normal.
That's amazing. So I could bring Charlie to un ristorante?
If Charlie is well behaved, sì, but he must be educato, well-mannered, no barking, non abbaiare, don't bark.
Charlie would love that. He is educato most of the time.
Perfetto. Now let's review today's words. Un gatto, un cane. These are easy, see? A cat, a dog. Can you make a sentence with both?
Il mio cane likes cats? How do I say that?
Al mio cane piacciono i gatti. To my dog, cats are pleasing. It's a bit strange in English, but in Italian we say it this way.
Al mio cane piacciono I gatti. Okay, that's hard.
You'll get it. Now, viziato, if I say, mia madre è viziata, what does that mean?
Your mother is spoiled. Wait, can you say that about a person?
Sì, we use viziato for people and animals. Mia madre è viziata means my mother is spoiled. Maybe she wants everything her way.
Okay, so I am viziata sometimes when I want, expensive coffee?
Esattamente. Sei viziata. You're spoiled. But it's okay. We all are sometimes. Now, pelo. If I say, ho trovato un pelo nel cibo, what happened?
Oh no, you found a hair in the food.
Sì, disgustoso, disgusting. Pelo can be animal fur or human hair. Now, what about spazzolare? Can you use it in a new sentence?
I need to brush. Devo spazzolare. My hair. I capelli.
Perfetto, devo spazzolare i capelli. I need to brush my hair. Or, devo spazzolare il cane. I need to brush the dog. Same verb.
That's so useful. And pala. That's easy. Una pala. A ball.
Brava, but be careful. If you go to a pharmacy in Italy and you ask for una palla, they will be very confused.
Wait, why? What do you mean a pharmacy?
Because next time, we're going to learn how to survive at an Italian pharmacy. And trust me, Grace, you'll need to know the right words, or you might ask for something very embarrassing.
Oh no, now I'm worried. What could I ask for that's embarrassing?
You'll find out. But for now, practice these words. Talk to Charlie in Italian. Say, vieni qua, Charlie. Sei un bravo cane. Come here, Charlie. You're a good dog.
I will. Charlie will learn Italian too.
Perfetto. Ciao, Grace.
Ciao, Luca.
Ottimo lavoro oggi. You did a great job today.
That was so fun. I can already feel it clicking.
If you want to keep building on what we learned, make sure to subscribe so you never miss a lesson.
And hit that like button if you learned something new today. It really helps us out.
We'd also love to hear from you. Leave a comment with your favorite Italian word from this episode.
Or a word you want us to teach next time.
Grazie mille for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Ci vediamo. Ciao.